Productions.
A lot of brothers give dawah to girls. Can you please explain? Usually when a man is giving dawah to women, another part of his body is giving more dawah than his head. The brothers have to be careful. Why are you talking to the sisters? Why are you talking to the women on the campus? You know how they're dressing, or you standing in front of her, what you just looking up in the sky? And she, oh brother, what you think, brother, about Islam? Brother so-and-so, subhanallah. Brother, you fooling yourself. Look away from her. Look down, cast your glance away from her and give her a phone number and direct her towards a place where the sisters gather. Because there are many sisters who have more knowledge than you. And let the sisters take care of the sisters. Or if you want to give dawah, invite her to a gathering where someone can give them dawah in an appropriate way. Don't put yourself in danger. And I say the same thing for the women. What the women giving dawah to the men for? Usually when women is talking with men, they're single. There's two women talking at the same time. The one who wants to talk about Islam, but the one who also wants to talk about herself. And usually when the man is talking with the woman, there's two men. The one he's talking about Islam, and the one he's talking about himself. Save yourselves from this hypocrisy and save yourselves from the fitna. The men should give the dawah to the men and the women should give the dawah to the women. This is the best thing, inshallah.
Productions.